Ka district level youth exchange program arhajar arphauso wapen man da yung krek kam u district sports officer ka West Giant Hill district hajrong ka phang woong today's youth tomorrow's leader ka waar sngi de poi ka wakut ne ka sngi ha auditorium hall ka kyang nang ba government college joy ya ka ni ka sipan kut dawan wo sakhi da ka divi lang do ADC ka West Giant Hill district kam ka kongsan dewa emlang u DSO u krobok pasa wa ki vide he wa ki skor de lang ki college wa da chimbanta da em ki chpau tali hadin wada dep wo bichar ye ki wo boon ki yakop wo boon jaj ki wo job man ki kamni haga yakop poitri da job o Marquis MPD na Government Boys High Secondary School juai he wa ar da yo ka phila risa dakhar na ka KJP Sinat Mingi High Secondary School juai haga yakop story writing da job ka sam haga ru lipon na Government Boys High Secondary School juai he wa ar da yo ka iba koridor wa lang na Not Liberty High Secondary School haga yakop painting the job ka khamti lang do talang na nong talang college he wa ar de yo ka yapi lang nong rang na kyang nang ba government college haga yakop declamation the job ka sakasios situng na Government Boys High Secondary School he wa ar de yo ka jordanity suklai na Not Liberty High Secondary School juai haga solo folk song the job ka hun I ka ramboy na nong talang college he wa ar de yo ka damitre lanong na Government Boys High Secondary School juai haga solo folk dance the job casino ria shooting na Government Boys High Secondary School he wa ar the yo ka wani sharam by na Marian Hills High Secondary School haga group folk song the job ka Thomas Jones Synod College he wa ar the yo ka Not Liberty High Secondary School haga group folk dance the job ka Saint Right High Secondary School he wa ar the yo ka Government Boys High Secondary School haga yakop quiz the job ka Government Boys High Secondary School wa mikmat da ka Grace Milot sungo wa ofel yun irol lamare he wa ar the yo ka nong talang college wa mikmat da usne hashes bhata charji wa ka khamti lang mai liana nong talang college haga science mela solo the job ka Government Boys High Secondary School juai
Paper represents the future of India. On my hand I have the pen, and this pen is held by the youth of the nation. You, me, my friends, it depends on the youth of the nation what will they write on this piece of paper. I will also say that a pen needs an ink, and the ink of our pen is the sense of duty that we have towards our nation.
I'd like to speak on the topic, a sense of duty among the citizen. To begin with, I quote, "If you want to see your nation grow, remember you have a seed to sow. Seed of love, respect, and responsibility, binding the citizen with integrity." Quoted by my dear teacher. What defines a great nation? Is it the strength of its economy, the power of its military? No. A nation's true strength lies in the character of its citizen. So, I stand here before all of you, to speak on the sense of duty as citizens. I think all of us, we have heard of a quote that says, "With great powers come great responsibilities." This quote, it reminds us that with our rights comes duties. And in our most of our historical leaders, like our most famous.
Today, I want to explore the sense of duty among citizens. The sense of duty is rooted in our shared values and the understanding that we are all part of something larger than ourselves. The sense of duty is very important for us, especially the youth.